Kevin, you won't believe it. I'm here in Prospect Park. Look who I meet. Look who I meet. Shalom Mayor, what are you doing over here? Prospect Park on a sunny day. 1 minute. Go. Get my tea on the Michael over here. What are you doing at Prospect Park on such a sunny, beautiful day?
Hi, Chaim.
What's going on, man? You're wearing the gear.
I'm still running.
You're running? Who you running for?
I'm running for Medis.
You're running for Medis for the challenge.
Yeah, even though you finished, I still gotta still get in shape. It's just
in shape you're getting, man. What, you ran around the whole park here?
Yeah, this is the end. This is the finish line.
Wow, get out of here.
Chaim, I gotta go now. I gotta finish this lap. I'm almost finished. I'm getting to the end.
Oh, man. So, Yosef, 1 minute. Don't tell. This looks like it took you a shtickle in my halach. How many hours did it take you this?
Oh, this park. Whew, this is something. Yeah, never ends. Every day. This is. Look at this track.
This whole track you did over here? Every day you do the whole track?
Every day. Gotta get in shape.
Where'd you get this? What is it? Special
workout gear. Yeah, sweat cloth. Sweating. It's the highs. It's one of those days.
Wow. Kol hakavod for you.
Do it.
You got a nice view of that lake over there when you.
Oh yeah, it's always a nice view running around the park, but it's still sometimes you just don't have the courage to admire it.
People don't even realize the beauty you have in Prospect Park while the bikes are flying by and the Eden are walking by. You have an unbelievable amount of beauty. You have the over there, the lake. It's gorgeous.
We get to see running around the park. You don't always get a chance to admire it, but whew, Chaim, tell you what, this lap, I wish there was an easier way, but can't find one.
What do you mean?
Whatever I'm doing, it's just slow or not working at all.
What do you mean? Since you started the challenge, you didn't...
I lost 4 pounds since we started this.
4 pounds since you started the challenge?
4 pounds.
Wow.
I tell you, that's compared to everybody else. I won.
You did. Want to do a hug for that? You did win. You're a winner. I'll tell you something, Shalom Meir, okay? I feel terribly. You said you're running the challenge for a long time. You only lost 4 pounds. It's a win for you, but there's an easier way. I mean, running is probably the most healthiest exercise today. But before you start running, when you in this shape to run is very hard.
Oh, knees.
Probably killing your knees. And it's probably 2 doctors that I'm very good with, that I actually sent probably hundreds of my followers to them to get the shot. Okay, you gotta try the shot. Okay.
Shots.
The shots, yeah, the shots. Shots.
Not chazars, the shots.
Not chazars, the shots. The shots.
Chaim, so many people have told me about these shots. I don't know who would I trust. Who should I? Would I listen to?
Listen. Don't listen to me. Definitely don't listen to me. Listen to the doctors. So.
Chaim, they don't come with doctors. They come with shots. It's your friend tells you, here, take this shot. The other friend doesn't take the other shot.
No. This company, okay, they have actually doctors who you talk to before you get the shot. Personalize the shot for you. Okay, it's not a shot you stop getting. This is a personalized shot for you. Every single client that signs up for these shots, okay, they get a phone call with the doctor, a Zoom meeting with the doctor. They can actually come down and see the doctor, okay? Yeah. So it's not just that you're coming and you signing up a form and you're getting in the mail a shot like you get boxes, food boxes. No. This is shots that you get actually talk to the doctor, schmooze with the doctor. He takes everything, all your information, and gives you the customized shot that's going to work best for you, the right amount, the right dose. It should work and work and work, not just lose 4 pounds like you did by running. And Shalom Meir, once you good idea, huh? Yeah. Once you shred these pounds, okay? Again, once you shred these pounds, it's going to be so much easier for you to run.
Easier is good. I take easier any day.
I want to run with you around the whole park in 15 minutes. You're up for that challenge, Shalom Meir?
Oh, it takes me over
an
hour and a half.
No, we're starting the shots, okay? And I mentioned in a couple of months, I'm going to update my followers where you're up to. I want to maybe even bike one day with these bikers, okay? But one day, very soon we are going to run around the park. Challenge.
Okay.
Next, so we're going together to the doctor.
Okay.
Look at these guys. Look at these guys. Look at these guys with long wheels. Behemoths. But Shalom Meir, I'm going to take you to the doctor because I want you to go. I want you to start the shots.
Okay.
You're starting the shots. You're going to lose the weight. You're going to shred it. And we're going to do for the run.
Sounds like a great plan.
You're down to come with me?
Sounds like a great plan, but right now, I still got to finish.